Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your server or region on the Brawlhalla game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawlhalla game on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the server or region that you are connected to, simply click on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the options page, from which you will find the change region option. Go ahead and click on it. And now you can cycle and choose between the various different regions that are available. The region that you are connected to will be shown in green. In order to switch, just click on whichever region you wish to switch to, and now your region will be changed right away. You can also add servers from the Add Servers menu if you don't see your server listed within the available regions. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the server or region within the Brawlhalla game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.